Welcome back to SCOTtrends.com, everybody. My name is Mark Melnick, and I'm going to be going over some of the plays that we caught today. We're going to start off with CRUS, Cirrus Logic, CRUS here. Now, first of all, we're going to take it over to daily chart here really quickly. We're taking a look at the daily. We were looking for CRUS to break out of this 1774 level right over here. And we're looking for a daily breakup higher. We were looking at CRUS this morning, and it's a trade we crushed, and I'm going to bring it over the 5-minute just to show you how it actually panned out in more of a shorter time frame basis. So the majority of our traders here were loading up on this Cirrus Logic, CRUS, right here, right under this $18 level, looking for an explosion, and the stock absolutely exploded. The majority of us took our shares off a little early, caught 30 cents on the trade, only to watch this stock go all the way up to the 1907 level, where it made a day high for just a beautiful breakout. This stock completely defied the market's down moves today. It was relatively strong all day, and it was just one of those beautiful plays that we bring here with the Tradolytic chart logics to SCOTtrends.com. And I'm going to move on to another play that we caught today that the majority of our traders here had some of their best days. And we're taking a look at AIG here on the 5-minute chart here. Now, what happened was we weren't really watching AIG until this explosion happened. This explosion happened. The majority of our traders were buying this stock in the 37.90s. Now, what happened was afterwards, the stock just pulled back, really heavy pullback on AIG. We were loading in Tier 3 to Tier 4 between the 37.40 and the 37.70 level right over here. And then the stock proceeded to explode again, and the majority of us took off our shares at the 38.20 level and held a few to catch a nice move upwards. And it was just one of those beautiful plays that the majority of us crushed today. Now I'm going to move on to another stock. We're going to take a look at Diamond Offshore Drilling. That's DO. Taking a look at Diamond Offshore Drilling here, we're going to take a look at this level right here. I'm going to bring up daily right here, and you could just see this level right here on the daily chart of Diamond Offshore Drilling breaking out of this 67.98 level right here. That's what really got our traders excited for the breakup higher. This was where our entry points were, right over there at 67.98. And I just want to show you guys on a 5-minute what this actually looked like while we were inside this trade. So pulling up a 5-minute here, you see the 68.97 level. Right over here is 69. We were buying it right over here, and the stock broke out and jumped up tremendously up to 69.70, with the majority of our traders catching 80 cents to $1.20 on the shares of Diamond Offshore Drilling for a beautiful, beautiful daily breakout. Now we're going to move on, last but not least, another stock that was just a real winner today. We're going to take a look at Molycorp Incorporated. That's MCP. Stock IPO'd on, you could see right there, the stock IPO'd, what is that? September 8th of 2009. Fairly new stock here. And you can't really see much by the daily chart of how we caught it. You could just see there was a tremendous range. $3.50 range on the stock today between $23.60 and $27.10. But what really caught our attention and brought us into the stock was this hourly level right here. You could just see this beautiful hourly bar right here. You could see the 24.87 level for a breakup. Our initial targets on the stock was 26.26 to get back to the highs of the day. And this is an hourly chart, by the way, as you could see right there. And we were able to just jump in and catch this stock through $24.87 for a very, very big move. Now, I want to show you what this looked like on the 5-minute chart right here. When it finally broke 26.67, it just really, did I say 26.67? I apologize. It's 24.87. Just want to show you what this stock did and you could see the line drawn from before at this 24.87 level. Once it broke out of this 24.87 level, this is a 5-minute chart, within the next half hour the stock just exploded up from 24.87 all the way to 26.93, got a little higher, pulled in and digested. Just a really nice trade that our traders caught today, and Molly Corp here. If you're interested in following us and us bringing you trades live in real time to the radio, please join us at www.SCOTtrends.com. The website is right in there. And happy trading and make money.